I am grateful you found this YouTube channel, so don't go away. And before you go, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if it's your first time you're watching Arnest Digits, welcome. And this is the home of side hustle, home of apps and website which can make you get money, get paid online. So don't go away. Just a moment. Recording from Nairobi, Kenya. My name is Arnest Digits. You can follow me on social media and all other networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Why? Because I share about how to make money online. I share applications and websites which can help you to make money online. Okay? And if this one is exciting to you, you want to work from home, you want to make this as your side hustle, so make sure you hit the notification bell and share these my videos. I've so far produced more than 100 videos about applications and websites which can help you to make money from home. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and watch all my playlists. We have three types of playlists. We have the ones which I work, where I do my daily job, and then we have the ones which I teach you how to add some income in your pocket. And then we have another brand which came over. Okay, now hit that notification bell right now. As you can see, I have suggestions for you on how to start making money online, which is now simple and simplified. You don't have to need all the technology that you are learning about IT or anything, but just by the click and the fingers that you have, your phone, your network, your internet, your smartphone, and your computer, you're good to go. So make sure you subscribe, okay? If this is quite exciting to you and you want to make money from home, what do? You hit the notification bell and subscribe now.